Good morning, everyone. It's 30 degrees. I think the wind chill is 27. And we still have a giant lake in the backyard. It's crazy. And no rain today. The sun is going to be out. But then tomorrow it's 100% chance of who knows what'll happen. And some of it's frozen out there. So we went from like 60 degrees yesterday to like 20 or something last night. I'm not really sure. But yeah, some of it's frozen. It's supposed to sunshine all day today. And then rain tomorrow. But I hope everybody's having a blessed morning. Just want to say hello. And there's a little bitty bird getting in the water out there. Poor thing, it's going to freeze. Alright, well, y'all have a blessed day.